Hi guys, so this mask is super effective if you want to remove whiteheads, blackheads, or any other buildup or dirt which is on the surface of your nose. This mask may not be as effective if your blackheads are super deep. In that case, you may want to go in for an extraction. But otherwise, this mask is very effective. The first ingredient you need is 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and to that you want to add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. You can use any kind you like. And then finally you want to add 1 teaspoon of water. Mix these three together and make a smooth paste like so. And then you want to go ahead and take some hot water, a towel or a cotton pad, and dip that in the hot water and press it against your nose for a few seconds to open up the pores. Next, you want to go ahead and apply the mask. You want to be very generous with this, so go ahead and apply a thick layer. The mask will probably tingle a little bit because of the toothpaste and baking soda, and that is completely fine, but it shouldn't be painful. You want to leave this for around 5 minutes. Next, you want to take a toothbrush and rub it against your nose in circular motion like this, and you want to be sure to use very gentle motions. Do not be rough with this because you may irritate your skin. And then finally, you want to wash this with water. And as you can see, it's very effective. It cleans up the nose very well. So go ahead and try this out and let me know your feedback. I would love to hear it. Also, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.